What's going on, guys? Here we are again. Here's the simple gauge parts that we've been creating for you guys. This is the bend for the Acura RSX factory trim. Very simple to install, guys. Take out a couple of the screws. We'll be making more videos about that. Right now we're just showing you the product and showing you how simple they are. So practically we already have one already installed there. Once you install this on your car, boom, have the wire, showing there. Add the gauge, clip everything in place, done. You'll have access to the actual vent, if you are using the heater or the AC. Very simple, guys. Check it out. Very, very nice and unique. Custom gauge pad. Again, let us know, any comments, check us out. I mean, if you need this a 60 millimeter, if you have any idea of how you're looking for any style or any different type of part, let us know. We can make things work. Check us out, ortizcostumpad.com.